Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Motorola Moto G60 and I want to show you how add event to your calendar. To do that, open calendar application, where we can firstly change view for a month to be easily to add, and tap on the day when we want to add our event, maybe 22 of May. There this plus icon and event. First we can add title of our event, what you need. There we can add event to our group on Gmail. Now we can set when event starts and finish, or we can set it will be all day by switch on. Repeat of that, maybe every week, every month, or custom, what you need. We can add this event to people calendar. We can make video conference when event start, location of that, notification, maybe 1 week before at 9, and we can add more than one. Then we can change name of our notification in calendar, the description and attachment to that. After you add all you need, you mustn't add all, you can add only some things. We press save and we have it in our calendar. That's all, thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!